and Gauss, a founder of Android. Habib Bhai, a dedicated person. Siddiq, a team lead, and you know me, Yusuf. So we'll start with attendance, guys. So this has been just monitored from November, from the month of November. The consistency and on time, and that goes to Mary. So as it is just starting for my team first, then we'll go for that this team, and then we also have a very in a mood and all that. So that goes to Mr. Pasha. Pasha. Okay, the other certificate is quite valuable certificate actually, which is for the performance, and this is for the month of actually November for Mary for 15 sales, approved sales. And
Mary, come back.
And it's also a small trophy for Mary. Just please put your hands together.
Guys, clap for Mary.
And also the other team member who is just contributing to the score, and that is quite consistent for this month, Miss Ramya Priya. For the best performance for approved 12.56. And with the other consistent performance for this month for 12 sales, and that is Miss Sarita for performance. And as overall, we also look for the customer satisfaction and the quality levels, which is very important to maintain and explaining the deals very clearly, and also maintaining good quiet accent. So that goes to Miss Mary for the best quality sales.
Mary,
And particularly to this team, actually it's a very small team of 6 members. But what I feel is there was always a strong team player. So that was Mr. Munawar Ali. Yeah, please welcome Munawar Ali. He is a very good team player.
भाई ready नहीं थे क्या?
And here you go for a very valuable, very valuable certificate, guys, for the highest performance of the month, which is not only for this month but also for the last month, Jan, Feb, consistently very good, doing very well, consistency in performance, Mr. Sami. And also with a small trophy. And to make all these sales, we need IT support, and that is always from Ismail, and very much dedication. I personally acknowledge him for this. Congrats, sir.
Smile.
So now we start for 60.
From my side, guys, I have a newcomer actually, who is a fresher, who is performing terrific and also is very good in it. Okay, he is 1 month old. That's it. From my side, Ibrahim. Newcomer and also is very good by my team, the best performer of the month is Madu.
Finally, good performance, fantastic.
Please approve, share that. All of us.
and also to the small group. Right, guys, that's all we have for a quarterly ceremony. But we have couple of things to be discussed with directors. So we'll have some work.
Good afternoon, guys. I know most of you people know me. My name is Rashid Mustafa. Once again, I'm introducing myself. It has been a very long time that we planned that we will have this kind of rewards and where we can recognize good talent that will help you in giving your best every day in and out. So I'm sorry that we got delayed due to some other reasons that I cannot share it with you right now. But however, I'm very proud that right now, I feel that I've got some strong team with me who is supporting me, in growing our company and helping even in a downtime and whatever phases that we have gone through. So this is just a 6 months old company. So the kind of the kind of phase that we are going in, I'm sure that by the next another 6 months when we celebrate our first anniversary, and I'm sure that we would be in a good location with a good number of people working for this company. So that's my ambition for about another 6 months. But apart from that, I feel that these rewards and recognitions, it's a type of certificate that will give you a lot of confidence in yourself. That will the best part is like that your efforts are appreciated. Whatever hard work that you have put in for the entire month or entire the 2 or 3 months, that has been recognized by the company. That's give you internal satisfaction. What Mary? Okay, you want to say something, Yusuf?
And also a last word from I just really from hardcore I want to stand for management, to stand for all the support, and that's a tremendous support. We stand on the expectation always on even for fun days they have given us incentives, very good plans and all that. They are helping us with all the supports. So thank you very much for the management support.
Guys, the certificate and whatever you got is just for your motivation, guys. We expect more sales in this month. Hopefully March, we have full fledged month, guys. So hopefully we'll have good sales. We got 70 sales now. We expect more than sales from both the teams, whole network.
Alright. Yeah. Please.
बोले ना ऐसा बोले ना
कॉस्ट आ गया
अरे क्या है कॉस्ट
बैठो हो रहा है नौशाद भाई, नौशाद भाई बैठो। अरे बैठो, फोटो नहीं होती, वीडियो है, कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ मैं, आप बैठो। क्या हुआ अभी भाई?
Please come on.
चलो वीडियो देखो, से वीडियो
My team. जरा मुनव्वर
और इंसेंटिव
मेरी
और ये अलग ही देना था।
ये कब सजा है ये पूरा?
First of all,
Morning.
let's start the day as we have discussed one sale for month and then
Next week.
monthly and
Yes.
monthly and
So I'll take in salary. I don't know.
हेलो ब्राड भेज रहा हूँ, इसको उधर जाके कंटिन्यू करो, ठीक है? इसको ऐसे लेके आओ।